What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now we're sitting at $95,600. What I want to do is take a look at Bitcoin here on the monthly time frame. We're going to look at the weekly and the daily so we get the larger picture here. Just really stepping back and seeing where we potentially could go over the next few weeks and months for Bitcoin. And all of this is not financial advice. It's just my opinion. I know there's been a lot of fear here, guys, as we pulled back from around that $100,000 mark to 95,000, even a little bit lower than that. There's been a lot of fear out there, and in my opinion, this is healthy. I think this is great for Bitcoin. If we could move sideways for a while or hang out around this area while altcoins continue to do well. Some charts are saying that we're in altcoin season, but when we're looking at this, if Bitcoin could hang out around 95,000 to 100,000 for a while, give us some time, let altcoins continue to do well before it makes that next move up. My opinion, I believe we are going to get through $100,000, maybe push up to that $108,000, $110,000 for the next potential move when we do start to head to the upside. So far on the monthly time frame, everything's looking good. We're above our 20 simple monthly moving average, up above our 50. Our lazy bear squeeze, we are still in the green. MACD still to the positive, everything looking good there. Money flow is going to be at a positive 0.25 as well. The chain and money flow kind of flattening out a little bit here. So on the monthly time frame, I think everything's looking great. No problem there. On the weekly time frame, and this is the best way that I feel like you can do your technical analysis, is starting at the monthly time frame and working your way in, even to the hourly time frame if you want to. But I like to go to basically the monthly to the daily time frame is what I prefer. So on the weekly time frame, now we're up above our 20 weekly moving average, and that's going to be in green, up above our 50, up above our 200. Looking great there. We've been moving sideways, consolidating. It has been on lower volume. So when we made this break and this move out of here, came on above average volume, so that's good. So if we are selling off like we have been, we want this volume to continue to dwindle off, let Bitcoin breathe before it potentially makes that next move to the upside. Right now, Chank and money flow is going to be at a positive 0.29. We have dropped from around 0.32 to that 0.29, but still looking good, no problem. MACD, we've still had our cross, everything looking good. On the weekly time frame, still in the green for our lazy bear squeeze. So still, guys, no major problems. If we turn on our Lux Algo smart money concepts, we don't have any major sell areas right up in here or sell blocks as of now on the weekly time frame. So looking pretty good. On the daily time frame, still holding our 20 daily simple moving average. It's going to be a big average for us, and that's going to be in green, still up above our 50 and up above our 200. So far everything aligns, our monthly, our weekly, and our daily. You can see we've been consolidating here on the daily time frame. Major support area that we want to hold on the daily time frame is going to put you around $90,000, $90,850. If we go up a little higher where we're at now, we would like to hold about that $94,000 is another big area for us. But the major one that a lot of people are probably watching here is right around that $90,000 mark, $90,800. If we turn on our Lux Algo, you can see we have a buy order block as of now right here, and this is also going to be our prior week's low. So that's going to be a big area to watch if we do continue to retrace. Let's see if we can hold that area on the daily time frame. If we get into our indicators, Chank and money flow, we're at a positive 0.17, so we still are positive. We've dropped a little bit here. We did have a high of up to around 34, 35, and dropped all the way down at one point here during this retracement to about 7. So have been picking up a little bit more of that money flow recently. MACD on the daily time frame, we have had a negative cross. Since then, we've had our pressure or our consolidation sideways. Then our lazy bear squeeze, we've been in the white here. So on the daily time frame, this is the major area that we need to hold. Everything else looking pretty good here, guys. I don't think it's any time to panic. I want to continue to put out some altcoin videos coming up soon here, so write down low what altcoins you would like for me to cover. And guys, I just want to do some that are like in the top 50 or so, because if there's not enough liquidity, then I can't really talk about that coin too much. I want to talk about the coins that have liquidity and where candles and indicators and things are going to matter, where it's not just so thinly traded. That's one thing I've learned in the last 7 years, is how important liquidity is. So if you get some from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. God bless each and every one of you. Stay safe out there and stay calm.